Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what a stretched timing chain on a Volkswagen Audi 2.0 Turbo TSI engine looks like, and how you can know if yours is stretched too far or if it's still good. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps out a lot. So I've got this 2010 Volkswagen Tiguan. It's got the 2.0 TSI in it, and I've got all the timing covers taken off to check this. You can actually check this in the cover here. There's a little inspection port. You can pop that rubber plug off and check it without taking the covers off. So right here is your timing tensioner, and you can see the plunger here has some ratchet spots on the top. So what you can do is count those ratchets, and if you're at 7, that is the Volkswagen Audi specified limit, where the chain is stretched too far and it's time to replace it. 9 is all the way out. So as you can see, this one is stretched pretty far. I think it's pretty much done for. Skip some teeth and this engine's junk, but this is how you can know if your plunger is out too far, if your chain is stretched, or if it's still good, by counting these ratchet marks here. If you're under 7, you're good. If you're over 7, you need to replace it. 9, you're all the way out, not good. So if this video is helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button, comment below. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and best of luck to you.